As you know, every time you want to select swatch types or every time you want to disable tooltips, you must edit the products individually, which will take you a lot of time if you have hundreds or thousands of products to edit. To help you with that, in this video, we'll show you how to edit product swatches created with the WooCommerce Attribute Swatches plugin from Iconic WP, but these steps also work with other WooCommerce Swatches plugins. So we'll edit the swatches of hundreds of products using the WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin, with which you can view and bulk edit any field of your products, plus you can quickly filter products by keyword, attribute, category, etc. We'll also need to install the extension WP Sheet Editor Iconic WP Attribute Swatches, with which you can integrate WP Sheet Editor and Iconic Attribute Swatches to be able to edit all the swatches fields without any problem in the spreadsheet. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, you'll see that all products are displayed as rows and their fields as columns. You'll even see the fields added by WooCommerce Attribute Swatches. If you don't want to edit all products, you can quickly select the ones you want to edit. To do this, open the Search tool. As you can see, this tool allows you to filter your products by keyword, type, visibility, categories, tags, shipping classes, attributes, or you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll search for all red shirts. So we'll enter the keyword shirt here. And the color red here. Finally, run the search. After you've selected the products you'll edit, you can use the bulk edit tool to edit any field. For example, let's edit the swatch type. To do this, select the rows to update, in this case will be all from my current search. Then, select the field swatch type. Choose to set the value. And select the swatch type using the drop-down menu. Finally, execute. Now let's learn to bulk enable the swatch tooltips for all the selected products. To do this, open the bulk edit tool. Now select the rows to be edited. Look for the tooltips field you'll edit. In this case will be the swatches color tooltips. Choose to set the value. Now tick this checkbox to enable, or untick to disable. Then execute. Since we've filtered all the red shirts, let's set an image for the red swatch in all the filtered shirts. First, open the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to edit. Select the field to be edited. We'll use the set value option. Now enter the new image URL. Preferably, a URL from your server. Finally, execute. By default, the swatch sizes are 30 by 30 pixels. However, we want to bulk edit width and height and set 40 by 40 pixels. For that, we need to first open the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to edit. We'll select the swatches color size width, and the swatches color size height fields, but you can select any other swatches attribute fields. We'll use the set value option. Now we'll enter the number of pixels we want to set for the width and height of our color swatches. Finally, we'll execute. Definitely, if you want to bulk edit product swatches, WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin is your best choice, as it is really simple to use, and you can save a lot of time by filtering and editing your products at once. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.